Alright, we're going to do a do-over on the frequency table movie. So we know that the lower limit 1 is 400. The width is 200. There are 6 classes. And the sample size N is 25. Alright, so we're going to construct this pretty much by hand like we did the last time, and I hope it runs through effectively. So let's take a look at the lower limits. I know to get lower limit 2, I take lower limit 1 plus the width. And that's going to be 400 plus 200, or 600. Lower limit 3 is lower limit 2 plus the width. And that's going to be 600 plus 200, which is 800. Then lower limit 4 is lower limit 3 plus the width. And that's 800 plus 200 equals 1,000. Okay, then we change pages. Lower limit 5 is equal to lower limit 4 plus the width. Whoops. Plus the width. And that's 1,000 plus 200, which is 1,200. And then lower limit 6 is lower limit 5 plus the width. And that's 1,200 plus 200, or 1,400. Then you always need an extra one at the end. So our extra one in this case is going to be the lower limit 6 plus the width. You always just take the last lower limit and add the width to it. So you have 1,400 plus 200, which is 1,600. Okay, now we're ready to construct our table. So let's change the page. So we're going to have classes. And that's going to be, let's just do these all in one swat. 400, 600, 800, 1,000, 1,200, 1,400. Whoa, the red went wild there. Okay, hang on a minute. All right, let's try it again. So we're going to have 600, 800, 1,000, 1,200, 1,400. Then you pick up that extra one there. There's your 1,600. So then the first thing you're going to do is put together your frequency column. And we see that there's just one observation between 400 and 600. 3 in the second class. 7 in the third class. 8 in the fourth class. Now notice on that one, you've got that value at 1,200. It does not go in the fourth class. It goes into the fifth class. All right, and then the fifth class has 5, and the 6th class has 1. So we like to add down the column and see if we got them right. So let's see, there's 4 and 11 and 19 and 24 and 25. And that's our n, which is as it should be. Okay? Then cumulative frequency, you copy over and then you start adding. So I have 1 plus 3 gives me the 4, plus the 7 gives me 11, plus 8 gives me 19, plus 5 gives me 24, and plus 1 gives me 25. Then relative frequency, that's very nice. You have 1 over 25. You just take the frequency over the n, so that's 0.04. Then 3 over 25 is 0.12. 7 over 25, which is 0.28. 8 over 25, which is 0.32. 5 over 25, which is 0.20. Sorry, this isn't lining up. And another 1 over 25, which is still 0.04. Hasn't changed in the last couple minutes. So when we add these up, we want them to add to 1. Let's see if it does. So I've got 0.16, 0.44, 0.76, 0.96, and that gives me 1. Okay? We still have one more column to do. Let's see if I can scoot this over a little bit. Nope. Okay. Oh, not the right thing. I don't know how to scoot. There. Okay. I scooted. Then cumulative relative frequency. So I start with 0.04, start adding. 0.12 gives me 0.16, plus the 0.28 gives me 0.44, plus 0.32 gives me 0.76, plus 0.2 gives me 0.96, plus 0.04 gives me 1, and I know that last one has to be 1. Okay.